The snow has now melted and we are experiencing double-digit temperatures in Celsius. But the ground is still frozen. We can't plant anything outside yet until the ground thaws. We usually start planting around the third week of May when the danger of frost is typically over. I am going to start my corn seedlings today. Corn typically starts to produce ears or fruit within 60 to 100 days after planting, depending on the variety and growing conditions. The corn I'm planting is an early super sweet variety, specifically developed for short season areas like Winnipeg. According to the packaging, germination takes about 7 to 14 days, and this variety will take about 65 to 70 days to harvest. By starting the seedlings indoors, I'm hoping to enjoy this corn early. This soil doesn't need any preparation, like adding water to moisten it. It is already moist, but I will add some worm castings to the soil. Two handfuls of worm castings are good for now. I might add more later. After adding it, mixing the soil will make sure the worm castings are spread evenly. Worm casting is rich in nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It also contains beneficial microorganisms that promote seed germination and support healthy plant growth. The soil consistency is perfect. It's not too wet or dry. To tell if the soil is the right consistency, squeeze it. It should easily form a ball, but in this case, it's somewhat oblong. Here are the corn seeds. They've only been soaking for half an hour. I would have preferred to soak them for a bit longer than an hour, but half an hour will do. I'll be using these soft plastic pots, which I ordered online for my seedlings. This pot is really soft and pliable. This is the first time I'm going to use this kind of pot. Actually, I wasn't expecting it to be this thin and soft. There's a big hole at the bottom, about the size of my fingertip. This is a paper towel that I cut into pieces earlier to cover the hole so that the soil will not pass through it. I'll prepare the pots first before I put in the seeds by filling them with soil a little bit more than halfway full. I'll plant one seed per pot. I'll put the seed in about an inch or so and cover it with soil. I like adding vermiculite on top of the soil to help with moisture. After watering, these pots will be placed under the grow lights and we'll wait for the corns to start growing. Here they are now, 4 days later. About 70% of the corn has already germinated and growing. And in a few more days, all the corn will have already germinated. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and feel free to share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated for new videos. Again, thank you and see you next time. Happy gardening!